Have you ever wondered how computers store numbers? Let's explore how a simple number like 348 converts into binary, the language of computers. Binary is a base 2 system using only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Each digit in binary represents a power of 2, starting from the right with 2 to the power of 0. Let's convert 348 to binary. We start by dividing 348 by 2 and noting down each quotient until the result is 0. Following our division, we get remainders that form binary digits. For instance, dividing 348 by 2 gives us a quotient of 174 and a remainder of 0. Continuing this process for all digits, we find that the binary representation of 348 is 1010111100. This means 348 is equal to 1 times 2 to the power of 8 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 7 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 6 plus 0 times 2 caret 0. Binary is crucial for computers as it simplifies data processing. Negative numbers use the 2's complement system, where a sign bit indicates if the number is negative. Understanding binary conversion helps in grasping how computers handle data. This knowledge is fundamental for anyone interested in computer science or digital electronics. So there you have it, the number 348 in binary. How does this impact how you think about numbers and computers? Leave your thoughts below.